Good afternoon, boys and girls. It's review time. Let me grab my pencil. All right, on this side, we were breaking apart teen numbers into number bonds, and they showed us an example of 13. They took the 10 and the 3, and then they wrote the number sentence, 13 equals 10 plus 3. Or it could have been 13 equals 3 plus 10. Remember, your parts don't matter, just your whole matters, where that is. Then we have the number 15. We can break that into 10 and 5, or 5 and 10. And 15 equals 10 plus 5, or 15 equals 5 plus 10. Then we had 10 and 7, which when we put them together, we hide that 0, and we have 17. 17 equals 10 plus 7. Down here we had 10 and 8, which we hide that 0, and it makes 18. 10 plus 8 equals 18. Right here we had our 10, but we had 10 plus 6 down here, so we knew that that was our other part. And 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 plus 6 equals 16. Right down here we had 10 plus 4, and we had to find all the pieces to it. Our whole is 14 because 10 plus 4 is 14, and our parts were 10 and 4. Then we had the number 12, so 12 is our whole. Our parts would be 10 and 2. 12 equals 10 plus 2. Here they gave us the 11 up here. 11 can be broken into 10 and 1. 11 equals 10 plus 1. On the other side, they give us the whole number, and we had to find the parts. 12 is 10 and 2. 11 is 10 and 1. 14 is 10 and 4. 18 is 10 and 8. 10 is a 10 and a 0. And 20 is 10 and 10, or 2 tens, just like when we count. For reading today, we had all kinds of plants. Questions. The first question, which plant is big, moss or sequoia trees? Well, when we're reading it, it says giant sequoia trees. Right after it said some are big, so the sequoia trees are big. Then the next question, which plants are small? Some mosses are so small you cannot see them, so I circled moss. So it was sequoia trees and moss on the front page. The next one, where do cactus plants live? Cactus plants live in hot, dry deserts. So I circled dry desert. What plants live in the ocean? Seaweed floats in the ocean. So I circled seaweed. What do most plants use energy from the sun to do? Most plants use energy from the sun to, and the sentence is right here, most plants use energy from the sun to make food. And I put make food there. Then the last two are just like the others, where you tell what you learned from all kinds of plants. So tell one thing that you learned about the plants, and then down here you draw a picture of a plant. And tomorrow you should be ready for your math quiz and your reading quiz. Have a wonderful night, everyone.